أنا أعتقد بأن الإسلام حل هذه المشكلة
I believe that Islam has solved this problem
وبشكل عقائدي وبشكل عملي.
in a doctrinal and practical way.
من الشكل العقائدي قال بحرية الأديان لكل إنسان ما يعتقد وليس لأحد أن يجبره على عقيدته.
Islam has stressed one principle, that each individual is free to follow his own faith, and no one has to compel him to follow another faith, and he has no right for that compulsion.
وفوق ذلك أوصى برجال الأديان، أوصى السلطة الإسلامية التي هي الدولة أن يحترموا رجال الأديان بشكل عملي وقانوني وتنفيذي.
On the other hand, if you look at things from the practical way, Islam has emphasized and commended the men of the state, whoever is in the authority, to respect the clergymen, no matter or regardless what their denomination is, whether they follow that of the state or their own.
وبالحفاظ على كنائسهم ومعابدهم.
Their places of worship have to be preserved, respected and protected.
حتى إن النبي فتح مسجده لنصارى نجران فأقاموا صلاتهم وهم مثلثون وفي مسجد النبي.
And you may remember what I told you yesterday, that even Prophet Muhammad opened his own mosque to the Christians from Najran, from Yemen, who came to visit him. He opened his own mosque to say their prayers and to do their service, though he knows, or he knew that they believed in Trinity, but he did not stand against that.
وكان يقول في حفظ حقوق غير المسلمين في جو الدولة الإسلامية، يقول النبي من آذى غير مسلم من المواطنين فقد آذاني.
And Prophet Muhammad used to say that whoever did harm to a non-Muslim, he was doing that harm to me personally, meaning Muhammad.
وهناك أمور تفصيلية كثيرة حول هذا الموضوع لا يتسع الوقت لشرحها.
There are many other issues concerning this, and they are in full detail, but we don't have the time to elaborate on that.
لكن القرآن ذكر آية في سورة المائدة حول هذا الموضوع.
The Quran gives some verses in the chapter of the table on this issue.
فقال وأنزلنا إليك الكتاب القرآن مصدقا لما بين يديه من الكتب الدينية السابقة ومهيمنا عليه، يعني جمعها أيضا في القرآن.
That what we have revealed to you, O Muhammad, was in the previous books before you, but that which we have revealed to you combines all together.
وباعتبار النبي محمدا كان يملك السلطة مع النبوة قال فاحكم بينهم بالقسط بالعدل.
And because Prophet Muhammad represented the Prophet and the man of the state, he was enjoined to have and to give full justice to all, no matter what they believe.
قال وإن اختلفت الأديان في مناهجها فهذا قدر الله لكل جعلنا منكم شرعة ومنهاجا لا يعترض أحد منكم على الآخر في منهاج عبادته وتدينه.
No one should deny any other's right or reject his own doctrine or belief, because it is the will of God that each has got his own procedural program of religion that was laid, so no one has the right to deny each other's right.
وأكثر من ذلك في سورة المائدة أيضا يقول القرآن قل يا أهل الكتاب، يعني اليهود والنصارى، لستم على شيء، نحن لا نعتبركم مؤمنين حتى تقيموا التوراة والإنجيل. فكان يحث اليهود أن يتمسكوا برسالة موسى والنصارى أن يتمسكوا برسالة عيسى ولكم دينكم ولي دين، الحرية الكاملة. هذه تطبيقا وواقعا عمليا.
And in another verse in the Quran, in the chapter of the table, the people of the Holy Book, meaning the Jews and the Christians, were addressed as follows. O Jews or Christians, you are not following any right path unless you adhere closely to your own religions. And this is enjoined on you, and you should not neglect that duty.
والحديث ما فيه متسع
We have no time to-
للتفصيل.
I think the point is well